Hello UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. So thanks for subscribe my channel. Today we will see how to install the AwesomeDT library and what is the benefits of this AwesomeDT library. So let us see. So this AwesomeDT library, so I posted this one into the on GitHub. So in the GitHub URL is this one. I will mention this GitHub URL into the description. So github.com. So UiPath Sudheer / UiPath learner. Okay, that is a GitHub URL. And let me download this one. So this is a AwesomeDT 1.0.0 package. Just download this AwesomeDT package. And once you downloaded this one, so just extract this zip file. Just copying this one to the desktop and extracting this here. Okay, so we have a new folder that has a AwesomeDT 1.0.0 package. So you have to copy this one into the UiPath folder. So where is the UiPath packages folder? Just check you have which version you are using. First of all, in the help UiPath Studio, you have a 19.7.0. Okay, so go to the same folder. So how can you go UiPath? Right click on UiPath anything, so UiPath robot or studio. So go click on the open file location. Here you have two versions, right? So just click on the current versions, whichever the version you are using now. So then go to the packages. Here you have to copy the AwesomeDT NuGet package, the downloaded NuGet package. Let me, where is that? Yeah, this one, copy, and here paste. Okay, now you have a AwesomeDT 1.0.0 package. Let's go to the UiPath Studio and click on the manage packages. You don't have a AwesomeDT category here. Okay, so just click on the manage packages and type AwesomeDT and click on the local. Okay, here local. Okay, you have a AwesomeDT library is there. So click install and click on save, click on I accept one. So it will install this AwesomeDT NuGet package to your UiPath Studio project basically. Okay. So once this is installed, that means added into your activities panel, you can see the new category called AwesomeDT. So under AwesomeDT, you have only one activity called OneDT. Okay. So how can we use this OneDT? Okay. So before that, so let's take one data table, say any data table. Okay, I'm just taking a one Excel. So this is one Excel, new EX. So let me open this new Excel. So what is the data? So this data has some data. So okay, this is basically AwesomeDT is working with the data tables. Okay, it has some data. Okay, some data, and so name, salaries, yes, yearly salary, something. This right. As the input is the sheet name, right? So we will just use the read range activity, browse the Excel, new EX, and the sheet name is input, right? Input, and here you just mention nothing, okay, empty, so that it will read entire data. Okay. So what is the data table output? So this is a input DT. One data table. So we have one data table. So we'll play with this one data table. Okay. So one input data table. Okay. So what we will do, so you can use anything. So you can use a filter. You can rearrange the columns. So you can have a new column added on the fly. So there is so many things you can do with using the AwesomeDT. Let us see. So currently now we will try how to I mean change the columns. So suppose I want the name and work location and company, name, work location and company. Okay, let us see how to do. Okay, so let's go to the AwesomeDT AwesomeDT, OneDT. Just drag the OneDT here. The OneDT has a properties. In the properties of the OneDT, you have a two inputs and one output. Okay, the output is a data table, the result data table finally. So what is these two inputs? The two inputs, input data list is you have to provide the how many data tables you want to work with. Okay, so the data table list. So how can we do? So this is a syntax, new data table. Here in this list, let me zoom it out. Let me zoom. Okay, this is a syntax. So we just process a list of data tables. This is a list of data tables is an input. So we have an input data table, right? Only one data table. If you have a multiple data table, you can just pass like a second data table like that. Okay, so currently we have one data table, and click on OK. That is the one thing. So one thing is, one input parameter is you have to pass the list of data tables as an input to the OneDT AwesomeDT tool. Okay, OneDT. So that is the input DDT list. What is the next one? This is an important thing. It's okay. So AQL string. That means AQL means awesome query language. So you have a awesome query language. So this is the awesome query language. So AwesomeDT data table, AwesomeDT supports the awesome query language. So if you want to make, this is a syntax. If you want to make multiple data tables, so you can just pass the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like that. Okay. So let us take, so try one thing. Okay. And so in the double quotes, which data table you are working? So that is a, we have a one items, right? So if you have a multiple items, you can pass a 1 plus 2 like that. Okay, so you have one data table. The one means the first item, that means data table item in the list. Okay, that is the one. If you have a two multiple input data tables, a list of data tables. Okay, so you can use the 1 comma 2 comma something like that, 1 plus 2 plus like that. Okay, and pipe separator is a operator. The pipe, basically you can use these many operators by using the pipe symbol. See, pipe and the command, and pipe and the command. So the thing is here, you, you will have a, actually the pipe separator is let me share this one. Okay, this is a presentation. Just let me open the presentation. Presentation also have the same, right? Okay, this is a PPT. Okay, presentation PPT. There is a PDF. So this is a PPT. So okay, while it is opening, so let me write a some query. Okay, so select. I want only name, comma, and work location, comma, salary, something like that. Okay, or company name. So what is the column names here? So our input Excel, what are all the column names? If you want the company name, you want company name. Okay, salary and work location, and yeah, here you can mention work location and company name. So apart from this, if you want to create a new column, serial number, there is no serial numbers, right? So there is no serial number here. Okay, if you want a serial number, okay, you can name the column name anything here. Okay, I can name it as a SNO serial number. You can say index or row number, anything. Okay, so but row of, you have to pass the same variable. So whatever, this is a your own variable. So okay, own column names, you can use the same column name. So it is a select query. You can select any columns from out of that major I mean input columns. So I'm just creating the output variable data table out dt. Okay, that is the one data tables. Once this query is passed, then it will give the out dt. So to just to show, I mean to just see whether it is a out data table is a proper or not, I'm just using the right range activity to write the, where we can write. So I'm just creating, let me create a Let me create a folder, a AwesomeDT something, some empty folder. Okay, copy and paste slash outdt.xlsx. Okay, that is the path, and sheet 1, it will start from the A and add headers. And what is the data table? The output of the data table is a outdt, right? So outdt, so giving the outdt. Let us see. Let me close Excel. See, currently what we taken the few columns is okay, few columns, and there is no column called row number. Okay, there is no column called row number. That now you can create a row number column on the fly. So that is a it will reduce a lot of effort of the developer's effort basically. Okay, so let us see it's done. So let us see this out. Excel has a result or not. Okay, see, there is a new column. The column name is a row number. Okay, row number, and so you can use the whatever columns you want. Okay, row number is starts from the one. Got it. So this is not only this thing. So row number, if you want to top 5, so row number top 5. So what you have to do, so in the single query, this SQL query, sorry, AQL query, see, if you want to only top 5, top 6. Okay, top 6 is a, it will give the top 6 results. Let me remove that this file. Like that, you can perform any commands, AQL commands, awesome query language commands. So you should know to use the AwesomeDT. You should know the AQL. See, top 6 came. Okay, top 6